Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve questions of activity 11.1. Question number 5. Let the PMF of a random variable x be given by, so this is the PMF given. Now define a Bernoulli random variable y, which is this, where a belongs to the positive integer, and for what value of a Bernoulli trial of y be considered as the most uncertain Bernoulli trial. Okay, so we know that the most uncertain Bernoulli trial is a trial where the probability of success is 0.5. So how it is? Suppose the value of p for any Bernoulli trial is 0.9. Then in this case, we can say that probability of getting success is very high and the probability of getting failure will be very low in this case. Suppose if the value of p is 0.1, then we can say here the chances or the probability of getting success is very low, okay, and the probability of getting failure will be very high in this case. But if the value of p is 0.4 or 0.5, then in this case probability of getting success and failure are both equal 0.5, so we cannot say anything by this. Okay, so for most uncertain Bernoulli trial, the value of p should be equal to 0.5. Now we have to determine the value of a for which y is considered as the most uncertain Bernoulli trial. Okay, and here the a belongs to the positive integer, so a will be taking the values 1, 2, 3 and all the positive integer. Now we will find the value of probability of y for each value of a. So starting with 1, so when a is equal to 1, then probability of y is equal to 1. So we know that probability of y is defined as if x is less than or equal to a, it is 1, and if x is greater than a, it is 0. So it is a Bernoulli random variable. So it will be equal to x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so here we can see that x is taking value 1 starting from 1 and it is not taking value less than 1. Okay, so probability x is less than or equal to 1, it will be equal to probability of x is equal to 1. Okay, which is given as 0.1. Okay, now we will find it for a is equal to 2. So it will be probability of x is less than or equal to 2, which is equal to probability x taking value 1 plus probability of x taking value 2. Okay, so when x is taking value 1, it is 0.1, and when x is taking value 2, the probability of x is 0.2 in this case. So it will be 0.1 plus 0.2, which is equal to 0.3. Now again we will find it for a is equal to 3. So similarly we can write it. So probability of x when it is equal to 1, it is 0.1, then it is 0.2, and for x is equal to 3, it is 0.2 again. So here the probability will be 0.5. So here we can see that when a is equal to 3, then the probability y is equal to 3 is 0.5. So we can say that for a is equal to 3, y is considered as most uncertain Bernoulli trial. Okay, so value of a will be 3.